Raindrops falling on my head.
Oh, I know where he's going.
Just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun.
Oh, I got you right in the head.
And I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. But there's one thing I know. The blues they send to me.
Is it any good?
Won't defeat me.
One of my grandsons.
I'm not doing anything. What's the way to rain?
Hey, dude! You playing in the rain?
Yeah, he is. He's sitting over here and he's like, he's on the water park.
The raindrops falling on my head.
You'd be out in the rain all day. You could care less.
But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me.
Hey, Kim.
I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining. Because I'm free.
Nicholas, what are you doing in the rain,
Nothing
dude?
worrying me.
I can get that in your eye.
It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Yeah, watch him.
But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red.
Whoa!
Crying's not
Hurry up,
for
get
me.
back in that puddle.
I'm never
now you're all
gonna stop
yucky.
the rain by complaining.
Don't look at me. I didn't do it.
Because I'm free. Nothing worrying me.
Ready?
Okay, good hand wash.
Nice. See how that works?
I'm laughing so hard I started tearing. I wiped my eyes and I had some of that stuck on my back, on my fingers.
Look at the belly.
That's Mariah by the water. Nicholas, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
It's like zoned out.
No, that's fine. I just I just don't want to change his clothes until it stops raining because Nicholas, be careful. Yeah, come on, get mad at him. Get some pictures. Make sure you unbutton the button.
Oh, no, no, weenie. He won't get up. Let's go out in the water.
Careful, he's on that car. Okay.
Oh my god.
That is rock.
He's not coming in, Dad. He wants to be in the rain. Oh my goodness. Nope. Thank God it's 1,000 degrees outside. Uncle Don, show him how that works.
Nicholas, careful.
There you go.
Oh, he's gonna try to drink that.
Careful. You can go farther.
Oh, I'm good. Buddy, you're all wet. Dude. What did they do to you? Okay, touchdown.